Here the subject is here digital design system using a Verilog. Okay, as you already know the digital system design. Okay, in the last class means what, in the earlier semester, last semester, in the third semester, as you all studied the digital system. Okay, it means what, the DDCA subject was there. No, the same subject is the extension version of the DDCA subject here. Okay, means here the whatever we discussing completely about the same the first module and second module of the DDCA subject. Here what we are doing here, we are implementing those sequential logic circuits and also even the what the combination logic circuits with the help of for the Verilog code. Okay, Verilog code. Okay, as you already know the for the any communication purpose we need to know the some languages here. So many languages are okay in the world. Okay, so many languages human beings are using the so many different types of language in order to communicate with the systems. Okay, we have the different types of languages like Fortran, COBOL, even C, C++. So many are there. For application side, Java, Python, and all. Okay, these are all the interact with the systems. In order to describe the hardware components. Okay, for hardware components, as the electronic devices will have the so many different types of hardware components like combination logic circuits, sequential logic circuits. In this we have the different types of gates also, means what, the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, like this. Okay, these are the gates. Okay, the things which will be very available is even we can say physical these components. Okay, but I have to describe these components in the programmatic way. That is the purpose we have the one language that we call as the hardware descriptive language, HDL. Okay, hardware descriptive language is used to describe the hardware components of the electronic devices. Okay, so many electronic components we are using for the designing of the digital systems, for any designing of, okay, for the addition of the any numbers, even in order to describe the any other digital systems, we need every time the digital components, means electronic components. Okay, these to be described. Okay, these to be written in the form of what, the language. Okay, one of the language that we call as the HDL means hardware descriptive language. In this hardware descriptive language itself, we are using what, the Verilog code. Okay, Verilog code. What is that? Verilog code. This is the Verilog code. This is the type of code we are using inbuilt with the used inbuilt for designing of for the in order to describe our digital systems. Okay, for example, I have the one digital system here. The okay, whatever the things here. Okay, as you already studied in the previous semesters. Okay, we can apply these digital systems for the real world entity also. Okay, I won't go for that much of details in the, but I will be taking consider the one of the Boolean function here, that is called the y equals to AB plus BC. I hope you all remember this equation. Okay, because we studied this one in the lab program in the DDCO itself. Okay, for this one I have to implement this completely Boolean logic function with the help of the logic gates here. What type of logic gates I can use? You should remember. You can analyze. This is the what, the AB is nothing but the dot operator is there. Okay, and this is also BC is there. This is also dot operator. Okay, this is what, the plus operator. Okay, how to implement this with the logic gates? For that dot operation purpose, I have to use what, the AND gate, so that I can implement with the help of the digital system. For the first AND gate is having how many inputs here? Two inputs are there. Which are those? A and B. Okay, and the one more AND gate I need here for the product operator is here. For this purpose also I need what, the BC. Okay, BC is I can take the common as interconnection, and C is the here. Okay, this is what the BC. Okay, for this these two terms, max min terms can be together taken to with the help of what, the one OR gate, because of the plus operator. Okay, output is here what the y, output is here what the y, so that I can design these systems, digital system. Okay, with by using what the logic gates, by using what the logic gates. How to implement these logic gates? How can I describe? Okay, this one I designed. Okay, this is what the I got from the physical entity or real world entity. I got this one, so that I designed this equation in the with the help of the basic logic gates. Okay, I designed physically, but I had to implement this one with the help of what the language. How can I implement? This is the so many ways are there. Okay, so many ways are there. Around three ways are there. One is called as the structural model, another one is the data flow model, third one is what the behavioral model. Okay, our complete syllabus is depends completely on the three ways of designing. Okay, three ways of designing. In this digital system we have the five modules, as you already seen the five modules itself. So first module is completely about the HDL. How I originate, how this HDL language originated, evaluation of that HDL language, completely theory is there, first module. Second module is what the second module is what the second module is completely about the variables, data types, parameters, so many. Okay, what the languages needed for the writing of the programming, completely that one. Third one is what the third one is the what the gate level modeling, sorry, data flow model. Data flow model. Fourth one is what the behavioral model. Fifth one is what the structural model or gate level designing. Okay, while using the I can design this complete system with the help of in the three ways. One is called the structural model, second one is the data flow model, third one is what the behavioral model. Okay, completely this one only we are studying here. Okay, this one only we are studying completely. The first module is very easy, second way model is also somewhat it is easy. I will be taking directly to the after the first and second model. I will be taking the structural model, fifth model directly, because it's the base to what the these two models. It's the base to the these two models. That's what I am choosing this one only, because if you know the structural model, easily you can write what the data flow model, and even for behavioral model also you can study. The same concepts are here implemented in the different ways. Okay, if you want to design, completely design, this one is to be designed with the help of the in three ways. One is called the structural model, second one is the behavioral model, third one is the data flow model. These type of implementation of the programming languages are implemented in the three modules completely, module wise they are implemented. In detail we will be studying here. Okay, first let me consider the one languages here, one model here. Okay, don't worry about the module 1, module 2. So some brief introduction about these three models I will be giving. Later I will be switching to the module 1 itself. Okay, let me have some introduction about these three models and also module 1. Module 1 is completely HDL. HDL language, completely how it is been originated, who has invented, how the evolutionary happened, what is the data flow of that programming language, and the synthesis tools. Those things will be studying, and also here the different types of data types and flow chart, and we'll be studying here, and also we will be studying these three also. Okay, here the subject code is what the BEC654A. Why the BEC means it's completely what the electron subject itself. Okay, it's the completely electron subject. It's completely electron subject. BEC 654A. Why the BEC? This is the open elective, not your CS branch. It's open elective. Some colleges they have chosen the mechanical subject, even electrical subjects also. But in this college, almost all in the upper engineering colleges, so many engineering colleges, they are selected the they chosen the electron subject as the open elective. Two types of elective subjects are there. One is the internal elective, means what the college branch elective subject was there. Which one they have chosen? Branch elective. Sir ತಗೋತಾರಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು ಬಸವಣ್ಣ ಗೌಡ ಸರ್ ತಗೋತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದು advanced Java. That's the departmental selective subject. Okay, this is the out of this department. So it's for the open elective. This is the open elective subject. This is very easy subject. Don't worry about the subject. Anyway, don't make any gadbad madak hobadri, because I have the so many other works also in this college. Anyway, I'll be completing these 5 modules completely. I'll be taking each and every question paper also I'll be solving here. Don't do any gadbad ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Okay, completely I'll be taking the classes. Okay, don't worry about the classes and all. Okay, okay, let me have the some introduction how to implement these modules wise in module wise also. This is open elective subject. Okay, you should remember. Okay, now as I said that y equals to AB plus BC. Okay, this is to be designed here. How can I design? With the help of the two AND gates AB, C, Y. Okay, this one can be implement with the 3 ways. One is what the structural model, second one is the data flow model, third one is the behavioral model. These we have studied in the last third semester itself. One program ಇತ್ತಿದೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆನಾ? ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ನೆನಪಿದೆನಾ? Okay, this one only I am implementing completely. Don't take any notes. I'll be solving this one. Okay, y equals to AB plus BC. This can be used in the structural model. First, structural model only. How can I implement? Okay, in the structural model or gate level designing, we are whatever seeing here, whatever the designing here, 2 AND gates are, 1 OR gate is there. 2 AND gates, 1 OR gate. Whatever we are looking here, we can directly implement with the help of what the gate name set directly. How can I model structure? Okay, what the inputs are there? First you have to give the inputs A, B, C. 3 inputs are there. A, comma, B, comma, C, and Y is the output. Semicolon. Inputs are here. Input. Okay, what are those inputs here? A, comma, B, comma, C. Okay, and the output is, how many outputs are here? Only one. That's what the output is, for the only one Y. Okay, next is what? These are the inputs, these are the output. These are the inputs, only output. What is this in between this one? These are the interconnections, W1, W2. Okay, W1, W2 are the interconnection wires, not the outputs, not the inputs here. Interconnecting. Okay, these are we call the wires. This we call as the wires. Wires are nothing but these are the interconnection between the 2 gates. ಎರಡು ಗೇಟ್ ನಡಬರ್ಕಾದ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ 2 ಗೇಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. Those to be wires to be defined here. Which are those? Wire W1, W2. Okay, W1, W2. Okay, next is what the model I designed here. At the end model also I can write here. Okay, in between these two only I have to write the logic here. What is the logic gates we are looking here? AND gates we are looking, and also we are given, you are seeing here the OR gate is also. Just to mention as the directly as the AND the OR. Okay, 2 AND gates are, 1 OR gate is here. Yes, na? 2 AND gates, 1 OR gate is there. AND gate one can be given name as the G1. Second AND gate can be given name as the G2. Third OR gate, that's nothing but the G3. G3 for OR gate purpose. First AND gate I can write here what the what first one is the output. What is the first input? What are those inputs? A and B are the first 2 inputs, and the output of the first AND gate is what the W1. So that first I have to write what the output itself here. compulsory. Input ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Output next is what the A comma B. Okay. A comma B, and the second AND gate is what here the having the two inputs. B and C are the two inputs. B and C are the two inputs. But I have to mention the output of this AND gate as the first only. That's for the W2. Okay. Similarly, for OR gate is having the output is what the Y. So that I can write the Y is the output. Input, what are those inputs for this one? W1, W2. Okay. Like this, I can write the programming. This one will complete the structural model. Writing of this completely implementing of this complete digital system with the help of what the Verilog code in the structural model. In the structural model means what the gate level design. Why we call this structural model as the gate? Gate level modeling also. Okay. Why the gate level model? Because this we are looking what are the types of gates we are looking. AND gate, and also gate names we are directly using here as the variables. Sorry, as the variables, as the things here. But that's what we call as what the gate level model. Similarly, I can also implement this one in the form of what the data flow model, even the behavioral model also. It looks similar, but have the same output. Which means what V1 I can also design with the help of the different models, because it's what the here the very low abstraction is there. There is no abstraction here. Completely whatever looking here, that one we are writing here. There is no any abstraction here. But in the data flow model we'll have the some abstraction here. Okay, in the data flow model also I can write the model. Okay, data flow model. What are the inputs? A comma B comma C, and Y is the output. And also input keyword, inputs on baribardo. Don't write the inputs, only input on bardo. I can mention the any number of input here. Output is how many output are here? Only one. That's what the Y. Okay, the interconnection between these two gates are called as the wires. Also we can define here wire W1 comma W2, and also end model, just to write the end model. Okay, in between this one we have to write the logic here. What the data flow model will be using what the assign keyword. What we are using? Assign keyword. Just what we are using here in the structure model, directly gate names as AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate we are using directly. But in the data flow model, we use the only one keyword. That one we call as the assign keyword. That one we call as the assign keyword. Assign. Okay, what is the assign? Well, output of this one is what the first AND gate is what the W1 equal to what is the AND gate operation? A ampersand of B. Okay, for the second gate is here the W2 first output. Next is what the inputs. What is the input combination there? B ampersand of C. Because of the AND gate I am using the ampersand. Okay, for the dot operator purpose. And also, so I have the one more gate, that's the what is that gate? OR gate. That's the output is what the Y. Input for this AND gate, OR gate is what here the W1, W2. Yes, na? What is the operator for the OR gate? Straight line. What is the operator for the OR gate? Straight line. Just I am using the straight line. Just to look at these two differences. There I used here in the structure model gate names directly, but instead of in the gate names in the data flow model, I used what the one keyword that we call as the assign keyword with the operation as the operators data. These operators I use the AND gate operator and also OR gate operator also. Okay, the same output we are getting from this structural model and also V1 what the data flow model. But here there is no abstraction. Directly we are writing what we are looking in the designing. But we are maintaining some abstraction here. What we are doing, we are maintaining some abstraction. If you have the more complexity, in the design of the in the digital design, then we cannot go for the directly gate names. How many gates names you will be writing? That's not implement. That is not at all possible. But here the somewhat I can write the so many designs, any number of gates if you are in the design, if the my digital design is very complex, so that I can write in the data flow model also. If you want to more abstraction in detail, don't want if the more complexity in the digital system, even I can go with what the one more model, that is one we call as what the behavioral model. Okay, that one is called the behavioral model. So that I can write the behavioral model as the same with the output is same, but the it looks similar, but all are look similar, all are having the same output here, but the we are writing the different ways ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ways ನ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ behavioral model ತೆಗೆ behavioral model. Okay, in the behavioral model also we will be using the model behavioral. The name can be anything here. Okay, the program name can be any name here. Behavioral ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, ಅತಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಕೈಫ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. But thing is that as the proper name you should give here the program name behavioral, and the output is what the y a comma b comma c comma y semicolon inputs ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕಾ input ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು only input a comma b comma c, output is how many y, only the wire can be used always, wire should be defined here w1 w2. Okay, it's common. Okay, this is very common to all type of programming model. Okay, but here I'm using the instead of using the gate names directly in the structural model, I cannot use the gate names here, and even the assign keyword from the data flow model even I will not be using. Just I am using the two keywords that when we call is what the register keyword, another one is what's the reg, another one is what the always keyword. Reg keyword is used, the register keyword is used for writing the expression for the output only, output ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಮಿಕೋಲನ್ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು, but always at the rate you have to write here what the input here. What are those inputs? A comma b comma c. Don't write the any semicolon here. Okay, after this one I have to maintain what they are the some logic I have to write. What the logic output directly? Y equals to ab plus bc is there. A ambassador of b, another is what the b ambassador of c. Okay, we are ORing together these two. Okay, these two AND gates outputs are we are ORing together. That one you call is the OR gate operator is what the straight line. Just to write the straight line. This completes your writing of the designing of the digital design system with the different types of model. What are those model? First one is what the structural model, second is data flow model, behavioral model. From this these three model only we are implementing the separately. In detail we will be studying here. In detail we will be studying different. This is very basic to all the complete third model, fourth model, fifth model. Okay, what I am trying to explaining here. This is the completely extension version of the digital design system using the digital design system with, and also computer organization DDCO subject third semester whatever we studied. No, that one only we are studying in detail in the module wise separate module. Okay, this much about the basics whatever I need here. By today itself we will start with what the completely syllabus. Okay, I'll go with what the first module, that one is called the HDL. Okay, HDL programming completely. We have the for this subject purpose I have the two books here. One is called the Verilog HDL using what the Verilog HDL guide for the digital system design is for the synthesis, Samir Palantikar. This is the best book. This is the textbook for you. This is what the textbook for you. Complete syllabus is inside this in this book only. Complete syllabus. Okay, this is also one more book is there. HDL programming HDL Verilog. Okay, this is also one book. Okay, we are using for this also. This one we can refer. Okay, even sometimes you can also this is the in detail he has given. What the syllabus, complete syllabus if you want, you have to refer this only one this book complete we have the syllabus here. Okay, these books are already available in the library, just go and collect it. Okay, just go and collect it. Okay, our my subject is here. Okay, my subject is the DSDV. Sorry, DSDV. What we call is the DSDV subject. Okay, thus this DSDV subject is very easy subject. Okay, very easy subject. Don't do any mistakes here. Okay, you can score more than 80 marks also. Completely direct questions are there. They will be asking the direct questions. Don't worry about this one subject. This is what the open elective subject. Whatever is the subject you are choosing now, those elective subjects will be very easy subjects only. That's what they will be. You are all choosing the subjects other than your running subjects. Okay, this also carries the 50 marks from the theory and also 50 marks from the internal also. We don't have, okay, we don't have any lab here. We don't have the integrated lab and even the we don't have the any other main lab also. Okay, 50 marks for the internal. In this 50 marks, I will be dividing this completely 50 marks as the 25 marks for the internal examination, 25 marks for the seminar, another one is what the assignment. 25 marks purpose you should write the 25. Adu 25 15 reduce ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ. I'll be taking this for 25 marks purpose. I'll be taking this internal examination 50 marks ತಗೊಂಡು 25 ಗೆ reduce ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Next is what the with the another 25 marks I can take with the this one to be what the 50 marks ತಗೊಂಡು 25 reduce ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. Another 25 marks is what the another 25 marks for the assignment. How many assignments you should write? 2 assignments, 2 assignment books. 2 assignments, not the only one assignment book ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. 2 assignments and the another 10 marks is for the this is for the this is for the 10 marks. Another 15 marks for the I'll be taking the for the 15 marks for the seminar. Seminar is compulsory. You have the 3 options here. Seminar you can conduct and even I can also conduct the what the quiz and even I can also conduct with the GD also, group discussion also. Okay, I need, okay, I'll be conducting the seminars and even what the GD also, even the GD also. Yakantandra I need to you all prepare the some just a minute seminar topic and also I need to you guys to come and give the seminars completely. ನಾನೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೋ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಿಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. I am trying to build your career even along with my subject. That's what they given the subject for me here instead of the 4 sem. Because here I am the training and placement officer. One thing you remember, if you coordinating, if you are supporting me, definitely I will get you job for in the 7th sem. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಾಟಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊರಿ ತಲೆಗೆ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನಂತೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಲಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಸೆಮೆಸ್ಟರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನಂತೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು 100% ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕರಿಯರ್ ಪರ್ಪೋಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ತಪ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂಗೆ ತಪ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ರೇ, ನಾನಂತೂ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. ದವ್ ಕಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಕಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು 90% ತೆಗೊಳ್ದು ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ನಾನು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 10 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ದು GD ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈವನ್ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳದೆ 3 ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಮಾಡಲ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಾರಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ನೀವೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಧ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಬ್ರವ್ರಿಗೆ. ನೀವೇನಾರು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊ, ನಾನಂತ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ, ಹತ್ರು ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ, ಸತ್ರು ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂದ್ರಬೇಕು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸುಳ್ಳಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಹುಡುಗರು, ಸೆವೆನ್ ಸಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಹುಡುಗರು, ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾರ್ದಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೆವೆನ್ ಸಮ್ದವ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಡ್ಸೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದಿನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಹುಡುಗರು ಅಂತೂ ಅವ್ರು ಎಂದೂ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂತಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ನಿಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಹುಡುಗರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ. ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಾಗ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಅಶೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನೇನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನೋ ಅವಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಕೊಡಿಸಿ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಡೆಲಿವರ್ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್, ವಾಟ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲೀಲಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಸಕತ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀನೇನು ಹೋಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. This is also my subject topic is here. That's what I'm taking the seminars compulsory for all the students. ಯಾರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಎಸ್ಕೇಪಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಥವ್ರಿಗಂತೂ ನಾನು ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರನಿಂದ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ನಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತ ಬಂದೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ, ಯಾರು ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಕೊಡಪ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ನಿಂದಿರ್ಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಹಾಂ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಪ್ರಭುದೇವ್. ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬಿ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೈಡ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನಾನೇನು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಲ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಂ, ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ, ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.